Hey y'all. All right, so we are here for an unboxing. This is not a double unboxing. Oh no, 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 no. And just so you know, my friend Stacy is behind me. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. So what happened was I bought two of the same one. She's getting one, I'm getting one, all the things, right? Now, as you can tell from the band, the band is that pretty nice little magenta. I love that word. Y'all know I love that word. So this is a round. It's a round. Let me show you because I have not seen anybody unbox this one. I have not seen this one unboxed at all yet. I'm so excited. All right, so here it is. It is Phases. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so Phases is by Yumi Arts. Yumi Arts. I'm gonna butcher that so bad. It is a 30 by 20 inch, which is 76 centimeters by 51 centimeters. Yes, yes. So I'm going to move this one out the way. There's weird paper in the box. Now, I put this old piece of poster that I've actually practiced writing on and stuff, and I painted on it. See the circle? Yeah, I painted a door hanger on this poster. But I don't want to distract from the prettiness that is this one. So I have put, oopsie, I've put this piece of poster board over it. Let's find the burp hole. Everybody look for the burp hole. Where is it? Holler if you see it. Gotta find it. Dang, did they put it on the other side? So if you're new to diamond painting, when they put the plastic on here, they suction it out the air with the machine, and when they pull it off, it leaves a little hole. And you gotta find the burp hole, because once you find the burp hole, come on now, then it's easy to get in there. Come on. You can get your scissors in there, or your really sharp tweezers. And then you just make it a line all the way down, and then you can peel that right on off. Okay, so I'm super excited about this one because y'all know I love my science. Y'all know I love my science. I'm opening it from the end because now everything's on top. Now how about that? Everything's. Oh, you know what? The big picture is not in here, folks. The big picture's not in here. Did they listen? Did they listen to everybody unboxing saying, hey, you need to like really secure that big piece? Okay, so if you have never diamond painted, I want to bring you down, but I want to show you the whole thing. So this is a round kit. You get a tray, you get a squishy, you get a pin. You get 2 pieces of heart-shaped wax because you know Diamond Art Club loves you twice as much. You get a 4-placer to put on the end of your nice, pretty little basic blue pin. And you get a whole bunch of baggies for later. This is not going to be enough baggies for this. I'm just saying. It's not going to be enough baggies. It won't, because of the fact that this sucker has a lot of colors. I remember that. Okay, so you know that you get your little tiny, tiny, tiny sticker. A lot of people like to put these on the top or the side of theirs. I don't put this on there. I actually save this, and I put this in my planner on the day that I start it. That's just me. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. We're gonna hold on. First off, we're gonna undo and unroll and unroll and unroll. Yes, and we're gonna grab everything. So since this is a new kit, I should expect, hey, Becky, here's your instructions. You want your instructions? We're gonna all collect these and send them to you for Christmas. For those of you that don't know, Becky loves these. She really doesn't, but you know, because these instructions are on the back of your box, but there is a coupon code on the inside. So y'all hold on to those and use your coupon. I always forget. So here is the big picture. It is a sticker, and look, all of these are now pre-cut. Every one of these is now pre-cut, and you can peel it right on off. I'm going to show you with this one. See? So that they can go on those Elizabeth Ward Tic Tac boxes just as easy as I'll get out. There are 43 colors, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. They are ABs, Aurora Borealis beads, because their numbers are below 150. And that is what the art looks like. Oh, I can't wait. See, moon phases. So me and Stacy both teach Earth and Space. So, yes, we're going to take a look at them later. So I'm going to roll this up before I show it off, because it is poured glue, and it is Diamond Art Club, and you've got the nice, pretty turpoline canvas that you can pet because it's so fuzzy. Feel it.
Love it.
Look, I don't know of any other company that does turpoline canvases. So we're going to roll it backwards because we can. "43 colors." And you see it has the phases of the moon. So here we go. Is this? Yeah. And you see now they're putting the information on the bottom corner. So here it is. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Now see, Stacy's a little freaked out because she has not done one this big. She just started diamond painting. It's kind of like, welcome to the addiction. But you have your full moon, and then it slowly gets smaller. It's so pretty. And all of this, and this ethereal type look to her hair, and everything is so pretty. And the colors, oh my gosh, the colors. All right, so I see a 4 here. And I believe that 4, since it's 141, is that white AB. So it's in each phase of the moon. It's in some of these little swirlies right here. And it's all over her and her hair as her hair disperses. Yep. And then there's some scattered here. All right. 1 has to be a blue. It's over here. I see it. 2 is kind of an orange. All right, so it's orange here. So that's where you're going to see the 2. Orange AB. 3 looks more reddish. Could be an orange. Could be a burnt orange. But the 3s are over here and here. And there's some around the 2s also. There's spots of color blocking, but it doesn't look that confetti heavy except for over here. And a little bit over there. So let me get you into this, since now I can like really pull you on down into it. There we go. Okay. So with you this close, let me show you what I mean. Like, I wish I could zoom you in some, but I can't. Like, see, here is a chunk of the 4, and here is this dash line, and then here is the equal sign. So there are chunks of where you have just color. But if you look over here, I don't know. You see that right there? That is confetti heavy. Yes, it is. Okay. So let me try to tell it. Let me try to tell it to automatically. There we go. Now it'll work. Now it's cooperating a little bit. Come on, focus. Focus, focus. I want you to see how clear the symbols are. Alright, so what I'm going to do, alright, I'm going to situate this so that it stays close. Alright, so sometimes if we pull it up and then we pull it out, oh, there we go. You see how clear those symbols are? But you see how much confetti there is right there? Oh my goodness. That's confetti heavy right there. Yes, it is. That's confetti heavy right there. Okay, but these symbols are really clear. Very, very clear. We good to go. So let me look. Yep, it is sticky. I don't have a problem with it being sticky. I really, really hope that it won't tear my clear plastic. Hey, Wally. So, I'm going to try to focus a little bit. Oh, there we go. All right. So, let's take a look at the colors. Ooh. Yes, they are so pretty. Wally had to come join us. Huh. You know what I just noticed? There is no 310. 310 is black. There is also no 5200. 5200 is white. No white, no black. The white will be the 141, which is the Aurora Borealis. All right, so let's start with a big train. I hear the train coming. Yeah, we got all types of goodness going on right here. All right, so since everybody knows their colors, I'm just going to show you what they look like. All right. We're going to throw this, like that. There we go. Oh, look. All right. 775. There is your 141. There is a lot of 141 for it to be an AB. That's really nice. So you see that extra little kind of rainbowish like shine on it? That's Aurora Borealis. And when these are next to others, the others will shine brighter. As Miss Coffee says, one shines, we all shine. 3861 and 3860. Really close together, but not the same. Then 336 and 336. Two of them. 347. That's a red. 350. All right, we got 2 bags of 815 and 1 bag of 322. We're getting a little twisted up here. 2 bags of 312. Of course, I mean, you know, there's going to be a lot of 312. 312 is, oh, that hazard sign. It's all up in the sky. There's 351. I don't like blue and orange together. 3777. 2 bags of 814. That's a pretty crimson red. And then 2 bags of 803. All right, so that's this train. All right. So we're going to put that over there. Okay. Oh, there are 3 trains. Oh, my. All right. I got it. 3855. That looks like those, almost those scrambled eggs. 210, which is, as my students call it, lilac. Not a lilac to be found, but it sure is lilac. 3023. More scrambled eggs, just a little longer cooked. 3854. 3706. Oh, we got some party crashers over here. 36. 36. My goodness, 644. I got 3 in here that will either go this way or this way. Not really sure yet. 3326. 740. That's a bright orange. 155. Now there's a purple I can love. And 133. So 133 is also Aurora Borealis. You see that extra shine? Yes. Yep. So 133 is a darker orange, which means that 132 is going to be more like a yellow orange. Okay, you've had your time under the camera. You just move right on over there. Yep. It's a lighter orange. Okay, because it's right here. Right here. 132. So, where'd it go? Where'd it go? So you see, there's your 133 and there's your 132. And in the image, they are right beside each other. That shows that color gradation, which is really nice. 333. 3733. That pinkish kind of salmon. Yeah. 3772. Well, here's you another one. 961's nice. 3864. 647. 648. So you see those two will probably be right next to each other. Let's see. Yep, they are. In fact, see? This arrow and this dot right here are 647 and 648. And then you've got 3024, 3078, 3325, 823, 101. I have never seen 101, but ain't that pretty? That is a pretty, pretty blue. Look at that shine. Love some ABs. Cannot believe they put 4 ABs in this one. 754. 352 is a nice pretty salmon color. 3841. Ooh, 327. Love it. That's a pretty purple. 779 and then 334. Okay, so what I'm going to do, hang on just a second. Let me pull you back on up here. Up here, up here. So that you can see all the prettiness again. There we go. And I'll move that pin. Okay. So, y'all know how I do this. I'll put these later. I'll deal with this in a minute. So, you know, I have not, like I said, I have not seen anybody do phases. I have not seen anybody unbox, sneak peek, nothing phases. They've been keeping phases a secret. But it is so pretty. There we go. All right. It is beautiful. I am amazed with the charting. It is clear. It is sticky. The beads are pretty. There are 43 colors. 43, you hear? 43. OMG. They've got these beautiful rich colors here. Hi, you know. And just because I don't use this start date, end date, doesn't mean you can't. I just don't. So, all right, guys. Here is phases. And, hey, you know what? I got a big old box. So, I have a few more to unbox. So, until you see the next one. Bye, y'all.
Make sure to like and share this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell.